So CBD is the non-psychoactive element to cannabis. It's 100% legal and it's an amazing medicinal product to infuse in food. Hi, I'm Delith. I'm the owner of the Greenery, located in Cardiff Market. I operate a plant-based kitchen, so vegan food with a fun approach, like mac and cheese. We do it like vegan Snickers bars. We do slushies, but infused with CBD. So I've been a vegan chef for the most part of 8 years. My training is in sustainable and plant-based cooking with a focus on foraging and adaptogenics as well.
What's adaptogenics?
Adaptogenics is like things like ashwagandha, CBD, so just well medicinal eating basically. Most people don't know what CBD is when they come up to the Greenery, but we've got loads of information everywhere. If you guys have got any questions about CBD and our CBD infused product, feel free to give us a visit at the Greenery in Cardiff Market. Myself and Seb are more than happy to help.